Is Generative Fill mocking you with its unavailability? Let's get this sorted out. First things first, let's verify your Photoshop version. Head over to the Help menu at the top of your screen. Now, click on About Photoshop. Make sure you're running Photoshop version 245 or later. Generative Fill needs this. If not, update through the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open your Creative Cloud desktop app, find Photoshop, and hit that update button if it's available. This is crucial. Next, let's confirm your system meets the requirements. Back in the Help menu, this time select System Info. Look for your operating system, CPU, and GPU. Generative Fill is a resource hog, again, needs a decent setup to run smoothly. Make sure your specs are compatible according to Adobe's website. Alright, subscription check, hop over to Adobe.com and log into your account. Make sure your Photoshop subscription is active and up to date. An expired subscription will definitely lock you out of Generative Fill. Last but not least, let's check Preferences. Go to the Photoshop menu, then find Settings and choose Preferences. Click on Technology Previews. Ensure that Enable Generative Fill is checked. Sometimes it gets disabled by default, so toggling it back on can fix the issue. Restart Photoshop after enabling, and that should do it. Generative Fill should now be ready to work its magic. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks.